me the way you move. Girl, I see your flavor from your eyes down to your shoes. How can I approach you and not seem like a stranger? You'll have to roll it in my way, yeah, yeah, so I can see your flavor, girl. Whoa, I see your flavor, I see your flavor, I see your flavor. Mommy, I see your flavor, I see your flavor, girl, I see your flavor, I see your flavor, your flavor, I see your flavor, mommy, I see your flavor, your flavor, girl, I see your flavor. Oh, my family says don't judge a book by its cover. See, you changed my outlook. I had to discover